नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्रीमद्भागवतम second canto, chapter 6, text 29. ततस्ते भ्रातर इमे प्रधानं पदयोमिव प्रधानं पदयो नव अजाजन व्यक्तिं अव्यक्तं अजाजन व्यक्तं अव्यक्तं पुरुषं सुसमाहिता। Lesson by Srila Prabhupada. My dear son, thereafter your 9 brothers, who are the masters of living creatures, perform the sacrifice with proper rituals to satisfy both the manifested and non-manifested personalities. Or by Srila Prabhupada. The manifested personalities are the demigods, like the ruler of the heavenly kingdom, Indra and his associates, and the non-manifested personality is the Lord himself. The manifested personalities are mundane controllers of the material affairs, whereas the non-manifested personality of Godhead is transcendental, beyond the range of material atmosphere. In this age of Kali, the manifested demigods are also not to be seen, for space travel has completely stopped. So, both the powerful demigods and the supreme personality of Godhead are non-manifested to the covered eyes of the modern man. Modern men want to see everything with their eyes, although they are not sufficiently qualified. Consequently, they disbelieve in the existence of the demigods or the supreme God. They should see through the pages of authentic scriptures and should not simply believe their unqualified eyes. Even in these days, God can also be seen by the qualified eyes tinged with the ointment of love of Godhead. Lord Brahma said to his son Narada, my dear son, thereafter your 9 brothers, who are the masters of living creatures, perform the sacrifice with proper rituals to satisfy both the manifested and non-manifested personalities. So Brahma says, your 9 brothers, Narada's 9 brothers, those were born prior to Narada. Who are they? They are, he said, Prajanang Pataya. They are Prajapatis. 9 Prajapatis. Who are they? Huh? Who are they? Can you tell the names? Say 9 names. Yes? Can say? Yes? Marichi Atriyangirasau Pulastya Pulaha Kratu Bhrugur Vasishtha Dakhyascha Dasamastatra Naradaha. Bhagavatam says, quote Bhagavata, authority, supreme authority. Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam. Srimad Bhagavatam spotless proof. Srimad Bhagavatam is the essence of all Vedas, all Vedic literatures. Saram Saram Samudrutam. This is the last contribution of Srila Vyasadeva, he took essence from all Vedas, all Upanishads, all Vedic literature, and has put everything in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Do you understand? Everything is there in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada Maharaj says, if all the books from the library of the world are destroyed, there will be no loss at all. If only Srimad Bhagavatam is there, everything is there. Srimad Bhagavatam is a Shastra. So Srimad Bhagavatam speaks everything. These are 9 Prajapatis. Marichir Atriyangirasau Pulastya Pulaham Kratu Bhrugur Vasishtha Dakhyascha Dasama Statra Narada. These are 9 brothers of Narada, Marichi, Atri, Angira, Pulastya, Pulaha, Kratu, Dhrugu, Vasishta, Daksha. And 10th is Narada. You understand? Therefore says, your 9 brothers, who are the masters of living creatures, perform the sacrifices, the proper rituals, to satisfy both the manifested and non-manifested personalities. Here in purport, Srila Prabhupada says, the manifested personalities are the ruler demigods, like the rulers of the heavenly kingdom, Indra and his associates. And the non-manifested personality is Lord himself. Manifested personalities are mundane controllers of the material affairs, whereas non-manifested personality of Godhead is transcendental beyond the range of material atmosphere. But in the age of Kali, non-manifest demigods are also not to be seen. Therefore, modern man, here Prabhupada says, modern men want to see everything with their eyes. Do you understand? Non-manifested demigods and Supreme Personal Godhead are non-manifested to the covered eyes of the modern man. The modern man wants to see everything with their eyes, although they are not sufficiently qualified. Their motto or principle is seeing is believing, isn't it? Seeing is believing. If I can see, then I can believe. If I cannot see, I won't believe. I won't put faith. That's the modern man's principle or motto. But how can they see? Even though they are manifested personalities, the demigods, they are not be seen also in Kali Yuga. How can see the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Non-manifested. Do you understand? Nam prakasa sarvasya yoga maya samabruta mudhayam nabhijanati. Krishna says that thing in Bhagavad Gita. Nam prakasa sarvasya yoga maya samabruta mudhayam nabhijanati. Those who cannot see, cannot understand Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, in the words of Krishna, they are mudhas, rascals. It's not easy thing that you can see Krishna. Even such yogis, those who are achieved perfection, doing yoga sadhana, they cannot see. They cannot see. Karma is, jnana is, yogis. Those who have achieved perfection, they are filled of activity. They cannot see. It's not easy thing. How can one see Supreme Lord? It's not easy thing. How can one see? What is the meaning to see Krishna? Bolo. This is not sufficient. Baddha jiva, material, the conditioned soul, who has 4 defects. Brahma, Pramada, Vipralissa, Karana, Padava. Isn't it? Brahma, Pramada, Vipralissa, Karana, Padava. Karana, Padava means your defective senses. Senses are defective. So how can you see? Such big personalities, modern man, big political leaders, scientists, philosophers, very big personal. They cannot see. They say, oh, where is God? Is there God? Has anybody seen him? I am such a great personality, I have not seen. Great political leader who has gotten vote. I have gotten support lots of people, I have not seen. Who has seen? How can you see? You understand? They are blind men. So sadhus speak about Supreme Lord Krishna. They say, oh, those sadhus say, oh, Krishna, Krishna, Supreme Lord. I have not seen. Then they ask, have you seen him? They ask, have you seen him? Then what will you say? So, you are speaking about Krishna and preaching. They ask you this question. Have you seen him? What will you say? Yes, so emphatically, yes, I have seen it. The next question they ask you, can you show me? Next question they put you. Can you show me? If you can show me, then I believe. Otherwise I won't believe. Arey Baba, I can show you. But have you eyes to see? Huh? You are a blind man. If you say like that, then I will beat you with the shoes. What do you say? I am blind man. I have eyes. How do you say that I am blind man? Huh? Arey Baba, the eye required to see Supreme Lord, all beautiful Shyam Sundar, is not there with you. Huh? Do you understand? Huh? I was a teacher. Huh? I was teaching. Huh? There is a poem. I was teaching English poem. Very short poem. Blind boy. Blind boy. Very short poem. I was teaching and laughing in my mind. I am teaching this nonsense. A blind boy, the very birth is blind. Born blind. He has not seen the sun. Do you understand? So, people speak about when sun rises, people speak about sunrise, sun has risen. Get up, don't sleep. But the light is there, sunshine is there. He was hearing, what they say? What is that sun? I cannot see the sun. Huh? What they speak about sun? Where is sun? Huh? What is that? The sun makes their days and nights. I make my own days and nights. When I sleep, that is my night. When I wake up, that is my day. I make my own days and nights. What is that? The sun makes their days and nights. Then says, hey, don't speak about sun. I am peacefully sleeping. Don't break my peace. This is the substance of the poem, Blind Boy. Arey Baba, you are a blind boy. You are blind, you are very far blind. You have no eyesight, no vision. How can you see sun? Those who have eyes, they see sun, they speak about sun. Why don't you accept it? And you should understand, yes, I am bereft of vision, eyesight, how can I get it? Rather, you should inquire. Rather, he is getting angry. You understand this? Similarly, such persons, those are very puffed up. They are very puffed up. Very puffed up. They don't hear, Baba. They don't hear. They want to see Supreme Lord through their material vision, through the eyes of the mundane historians. Yes. So, Krishna says they are mudhas. They are mudhas. That is Krishna's language. Avadananti mudha manusing tanvasritam param bhavadananta mama bhuta maheswaram naham prakasa sarvasya yogamaya samavrita mudhayam nabhidanati lokamangajangapayam. I never become manifested before everybody or everywhere. I am covered up with my Yogamaya potency. Now prakasa sarvasya yogamaya samavrita mudhayam nabhidanati. Mudha, rascal, cannot understand me, cannot see me. Isn't it? Krishna keeps himself hidden. Yes. Krishna keeps himself hidden. He is covered up with Yogamaya potency. How can we see him? He keeps himself hidden. How can we see him? The seventh kind of Bhagavatam, you will see, is conqueror of three worlds, Hiranyakasipu. Conqueror of three worlds. You are saying, I am Trilokadhisha. I am Trilokadhisha. I am the master of three worlds. His son, Prahlad Maharaj, great devotee, dear devotee of the Lord. Do you understand? From very birth, you are speaking about the Lord. Do you understand? When you are speaking about the Lord, and he spoke to his father also, you surrender to Supreme Lord. He is the master of three worlds. What? He is master. I am master of three worlds. I am conquer three worlds. Where is he? Where is your Lord? He says he is everywhere. Manifested. He is everywhere. Then he pointed out the stone pillar. Stone pillar in the assembly hall said, Jastaya manda bhagyukta madanne jaladishwara kvasudadisa sarvatra kasma stambe nadrishyate. You say, Is all pervaded, is everywhere. Manda bhagya, you are ill-fated, you have bad fortune. What do you say? Madanya Jagadishwara. Is there any Jagadishwara except myself? I am Trilokeshwara. Who is that? Krishna. Or Vishnu right to say Jagadishwara? Vasudadis Sarvatra Savidyate Kasmas Tambena Dushyate. He is manifested everywhere. Why is not here in this stone pillar? Is he there? He couldn't see. Because he is a blind man. But his son, Prahlad Maharaj, is such a dear devotee who sees. He says, yes, he is there. He is endowed with such vision. Premanjana surita bhakti vilochanena santa sadaiva hrideyesu vilokayanti jasyama sundaram achintya guna surupam govindam adi purusham tamaham bhajami. Brahma Samhita says, what sort of vision is required? Premanjana surita bhakti vilochanena, who was smeared the ointment of love on his eyes. Ointment of love on his eyes. Endowed with devotional eyes. Bhakti vilochana. He sees all beautiful Shyam Sundar form with deen and doubt. Do you understand? Unless one is endowed with such vision, how can he see the unmanifested form, the Shyam Sundar form? Though he is everywhere, that mudhas cannot. Those who want to see Shyam Sundar Krishna, Supreme Lord Krishna, through their mundane eyes, through their mental speculation, what do they get? What is their reward? Again and again they kick from Mahamaya. That is their reward. Anadhikari. You have no adhikar at all. This is the reward of anadhikari, who has no adhikar. You want to see the Supreme Lord through your mundane eyes, material eyes, and through mental concoction, speculation. They get again and again the kickings from Mahamaya. That is their reward. One such blind man was there. One day he wanted to know what is the color of the milk. Do you understand? What is the color of the milk? He wanted to know one day. Then he asked one of his trusted friends, "Oh, my friend, can you tell me what is the color of the milk?" His friend said, "Oh, it is plain." Plain? What is that? What is plain? Oh, it is like crane. Plain like crane. Understand my language? Crane? What is that crane? Then his friend lifted his arm like that, upper portion made it bent. This is crane. The blind man tossed. Kept on himself 1 minute. Mom? Then I understand. I'll never drink milk in my life, it will stick to my throat. He understood the color of the milk. Similarly, those who are so puffed up, false ego is very great. Those who run after name, fame, adoration, they are blind. Those who want to understand Supreme Lord and His transcendental pastimes through their mundane scholarship, learning, intelligence, merit, they are blind men. Their understanding of Supreme Lord like that of the blind man's understanding the milk of the color of the milk. That understanding is like that. So how can one understand? That's the question. How can one get that vision? How can one get that ointment of love? Premanjana surita bhakti vinochanena. Someone has smeared the ointment of love on his eyes, only he can say, where is that ointment available? Is there any factory here? They manufacture ointment? Such ointment? Premanjana surita? Premanjana? Manufactures that Premanjana? Is that there you know? Is that some factory? Then I'll become an employee in that factory. So I'll get it. Where is that factory? Who has set up that factory? Huh? Where is it available? Huh? Bolo? Huh? Yeah? Srutekhita patham, he said. What do you mean by that? Asrayalaya bhode, tate krishna nahi tyaje, arsava more okaran. Astralaya bhode, tate krishna nahi tyaje, arsava more okaran. Who is intelligent, who is very serious. Yes, how can I get that ointment? Then I'll smear on my eyes, then I can say the beautiful Shyam Sundar form. I'm devoid of that eye, I'm a blind man, why can I get it? Then what shall he do? Astramaya bhode, tahati Krishna nahityaje arso moreka. He should take shelter of Sadhu Guru. Do you understand? And he has to hear. That is the most important. Says, Srutekhita patham, tam bhakti yoga paribhavita, sutta saroja, asase Srutekhita patho, nanunatha punsa, jajjata dhiyata urugaya vibhavayanti, tattada papu pranayase sadangrahaya. Bhagavata says, yes, Bhagavata answers all your questions. Oh my Lord, your devotees can see you through the ears. Yes, you should see the Lord through the ears, not through your mundane eyes. Srutekhita patham, through the ears, by the process of bona fide hearing, and then their heart becomes cleansed and you take your seat there. You are so merciful to your dear devotees that you manifest in the particular form he wants to see. You understand? The particular form he wants to see, he manifests. Unless you hear from Sadhu Guru, how can you? How can you see? You should see through the ears. Isn't it? How can you see the sun? Can you see the sun during night? Why? Why? Why can't you see the sun during night? Can anybody see the sun during night time? Any great scientist may come, manufacture very powerful, what's a telescope or what is that? Telescope? Can you show? No, Baba. Can't show. He has to wait till sun rises. And that is morning, sun will rise, sun's rays will be there, then he can see sun. That means only by the rays of the sun one can see sun. Similarly, only by the mercy of the Lord one can see him. Otherwise, how can you see him? He is not manifested everywhere. Nam prakasa sarvasya yoga maya samabrata, he said. Yes, I am covered up with Jomaya potency. Krishna always keeps himself hidden, how can one see it? Do you understand? But he cannot keep himself hidden before the eyes of his dear devotee. Premangana Surita Bhakti Vilosanena. One who has smeared ointment love on his eyes, then devotee devotion, he cannot keep himself hidden. He manifests himself before him. Do you understand? He was not seen by Hiranyakasipa, but his son, dear devotee of the Lord, Prahlad Maharaj, on the stone pillar. Then you have to hear. Those who hear, they can get that ointment. That factory is set up by Sri Guru. Yes. Well, Sri Guru has set up that factory where ointment, the Premanjana, is manufactured. Ointment, love is manufactured. Then you become an employee in that factory, Baba. Then you get Premanjana. That's ointment for love. If you hear from Sri Guru, Srinato Sodhaya Nityam Gunastascha swasastidam nati dirghena kaleno Bhagavan visade hrudi. Isn't it? First canto have to say. Persons who hear Srimad Bhagavatam regularly and are always taking the matter very seriously will have the personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna manifested in their heart in very short time. Ja Bhagavata Pada Vaishnava Sthani Ekanta Sri Guru Chaitanya Charan. That's what it says. Go to a Vaishnava, go to a Bhakta Bhagavata, who is an embodiment of Bhagavata, who is dear devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaura Priyodhana. Huh? Go to him and hear Bhagavata from him. Ja Bhagavata Pada Vaishnava Sthani Ekanta Sri Guru Chaitanya Charan. Complete text at the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why? What is the necessity of taking shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? In understanding Bhagavatam? What is that?
He's most merciful.
Merciful? That is merciful? Why? Now my question is, Ekanta Astrakara Chaitanya Charani, complete text shelter at lotus for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. My question, what is the necessity of taking shelter at the lotus of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in respect of understanding Bhagavatam? That is my question. Cannot a scholar, a Pandit understand Bhagavata? Bhagavata written in Sanskrit. A Sanskrit scholar say, I can understand. Many commentators are there. Those are given commentaries on Bhagavatam. Of them, Sridhar Swami is the best commentator. Mahaprabhu has accepted him. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has commentary. Jiva Goswami has commentary. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur has commentary. Madhvacharya has commentary in Bhagavatam. Still Bhakti Vedanta Swami, our revered spiritual master, commented this is Bhakti Vedanta purports here. So one can say, I can take the help of commentaries. The commentaries are also written in Sanskrit language. I can understand. But no. Bhaktya bhavatum rajyam nam dhyana sati gaya. Bhaktya bhavatum rajyam nam dhyana sati gaya. Shivaji said, one of the Mahajana who knows Bhagavata says, only by bhakti you can understand Bhagavata. You cannot understand Bhagavata by dint of your material scholarship, learning, intelligence, merit, or taking help of the commentaries given by many commentators. Only by bhakti. Why it is so? Why it is so? Only by bhakti one can understand Bhagavata. Why? How can one understand Supreme Lord Krishna? How?
By loving Krishna, Krishna Prema.
Bhaktyamanga vijanati. Krishna has said, Baba. What Krishna's words? He has said how you can understand him. Bhaktyamanga vijanati. Bhaktiastu anunaya labhya. He says this thing in Bhagavad Gita, isn't it? In Bhagavata, 11th canto, he says to Uddhava, Namang sadheti yoga no sankhyam na dharmadhava no sadhyaya tapastyaga tatha bhaktir mamurjida. In Gita he says to Indra, Arjuna. In Bhagavata he says to Uddhava. Bhaktyamanga vijanati bhaktyatu anunaya labhya. Another devotion, pure devotion, one can understand me, see me, isn't it? And in Bhagavata 11th canto he says to Uddhava, Namang sadhiti yoga no sankhya no dharmadhava no sadhyaya tapastyago jatha bhaktir mamurjita. By undergoing severe austerity and penance, yoga sadhana, nobody can understand me. Sadhiti yoga no sankhya. Analytical study, sankhya, alosana, one cannot understand me. By Swadhyaya, by Vedic study, acquiring Vedic knowledge, nobody can understand me. Namang sadhiti yoga na sankhya na dharma udbhava na Swadhyaya tapastyaga. By undergoing severe austerity, penance, tapasya, nobody can. Becoming complete renunciate, great tyagi, nobody can. Jatha bhaktir mamarjita. I am understood by bhakti. And Bhagavata is Krishna. Krishna tulya bhagavato vivo sarvasrayo. Krishna tulya bhagavato vivo sarvasrayo. Prati shloke prati akhyare nana artha koyo. Prati shloke prati akhyare nana artha koyo. Krishna tulya bhagavato vibhu sarvasya. Bhagavata is not a mere grantha or book. It is as good as Krishna. You understand? It is the Vani incarnation of Krishna. It is not different from Krishna. Chaitanya Bhagavata, Vrindavan Das Thakur has said like that. Vibhu sarvasya. Krishna is Vibhu. Vibhu means Supreme Lord. Bhagavata is as good as Krishna. Divine Krishna is also Vibhu. Bhagavata is also Vibhu, Supreme Lord. As we take shelter of Krishna, similarly we take shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam. Yes, take shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam. It's Vibhu. Prati shloke, prati akhyare, nana artha koyo. In every verse, in every word, even in every letter, many meanings are there. If you want to explain one verse from Srimad Bhagavatam perfectly well, it will take days together. Days together. Yes. What to speak of 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 day. This verse contains so much thing. If you want to explain this, it will take 1 week time at least. This verse especially. Yes. So much thing is there. Ananta, Vibhu means Ananta, unlimited. Ananta, unlimited. Ananta there, who is there in Pata, who carries in one of his hoods this material universe as a mustard seed. He speaks Bhagavata with his unlimited mouth from time immemorial, has not finished it. 4 Kumara Chatusana, they hear Bhagavata from Ananta there. Do you understand? It's Ananta. So, therefore, Jaya Bhagavata Paro, Vaishnava Sthane, Ekanta Asya Guru Chaitanya Sarli. Go to such a Vaishnava, Premi Bhakta, dear devotee, who is an embodiment of Bhagavata, who is a dear devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaura Priyadana, and completely takes shelter at the lotus of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This Prem Bhakti. The Prem Bhakti is needed to understand Bhagavata. Prem Bhakti is needed to understand Krishna. Because Bhagavata is not different from Krishna. Therefore it is said, Srinata Swadhaya Nityam Gunastasya Swadha Sotastidam Nati Dirgheno Kalena Bhagavan Visate Hri. Bhagavata says, persons who hear Srimad Bhagavatam regularly from bona fide source, Bhakta Bhagavata, and are always taking the matter very seriously, will have the personality of Godhead Krishna manifested in their heart within a very short time. If you hear from such Bhakta Bhagavata Vaishnava, regularly with the Swadhaya, putting unflinching faith and surrendering unto that Sadhu Guru Bhakta Bhagavatam, putting unflinching faith, you hear, then automatically that ointment of love will be smeared on your eyes. That is the factory, manufactured there. Do you understand? Then you can endowed with such vision, Premanjana, Srita Bhakti, then you can see very beautiful Syama Sundar form of Krishna within and without. Otherwise, how can it? So those who are real devotees, they always engage in loving, rendering loving service unto Supreme Lord and His dear devotees. They are completely surrendered. Do you understand? They always desire how to give more and more pleasure to Supreme Lord. They never cherish for their own enjoyment or happiness. Do you understand? They only, Bhavata Bhakti Ahetu Gitoi. They offer prayer, please give me Sudha Bhakti, Ahetu Bhakti, unalloyed devotion. Do you understand? They always desire Krishna's happiness, Krishna's enjoyment. They are completely dependent on the causeless mercy of Krishna. Do you understand? Krishna has accepted that, but mercy is the gotten mercy of Krishna. Krishna, they are endowed with such eyes, they can see. That means before them, Krishna manifests. Otherwise, Krishna always keeps himself hidden. But he cannot keep himself hidden before the eyes of such a premi bhakta, Shuddha bhakta. Do you understand? Though he is covered up with Yogamaya potency. Hiranyakashipu Kunsi was his son, Prahlad Maharaj. He cannot keep himself hidden. That is what you should understand. So, he is Priya Bhakta, very dear devotee, Krishna, he gets enlightenment received through the mercy potency of the Lord. Mercy potency of the Lord. Through that enlightenment, he sees beautiful form of Shyam Sundara. He also not only sees the beautiful form, he sees all transcendental leelas of Krishna. Yes, transcendental leelas of Krishna. Yes. This is the way. Jnana prayasu dapasya namanta eva jivanti sammukhridam bhavadiya vartam thani sthita srudigatang tanubang manobhir jo prayaso ajito jito apyasista strilokyam. 10th canto Bhagavatam, Brahma Vakya. This statement of Brahma, do you understand? Jnana prayasu dapasya namanta eva jivanti sammukhridam bhavadiya vartam thani sthita srudigatang tanubang manobhir jo prayaso ajito jito apyasista strilokyam. There are two processes. One is ascending process, another is descending process. Do you understand? Give up ascending process. Those are very puffed up fellows, the modern man. Modern scientist. Modern scientists, material scientists, philosophers, pandits, scholars, not devotees. They take up this process, ascending process. Do you understand? Ascending process. They want to understand Supreme Lord through their mundane scholarship, learning, merit, intelligence, or speculation. Do you understand? Speculation. But they cannot understand. An intelligent, wise Vaishnava Bhakta, he adopts the descending process, that is hearing. So go and approach a Bhakta Bhagavata Vaishnava, Gaura Priyajanan, hear Srimad Bhagavata Krishna Katha from him regularly, putting unflinching faith, surrendering into that Bhakta Bhagavata Vaishnava, with unflinching faith, he should hear. Do you understand? Then you can understand. Therefore, Jnana Prayaso Dapasya Namanta Eva, Jivanti Samukharidam Bhavadiya Vartam, Thani Sthita, Srudigatang Tanubang Manobhir, Japrayaso Ajito Jito, Apyasya Trilokyam. Give up this ascending process, adopt the descending process, always come regularly and hear Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavata Katha, Krishna Katha, from dear devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, bona fide source, Bhakta Bhagavata, one who does like that, Tanamaman Japrayaso Jito Jito Pesistra Trilokyam. He'll develop such prem bhakti, Siddha bhakti, Jasyang Vaisruyamanayam, Krishne Paramapuruse, Bhakti Rutpadere Punsa, Soka Moho Bhayapaha. First canto how to say that. Jasyang Vaisruyamanayam, Krishne Paramapuruse, Bhakti Rutpadere. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam from a right source, bona fide source, one can develop such Krishna Bhakti very easily. Soko Moho Bhayapaha. As a result, all his material fears, all his lamentations, delusions are gone forever. Yes, Soko Moho Bhayapaha. This is the only process. How can one get such ointment of love? How can one be endured with such Premanjana Surita Bhakti Viratana? So one who does so, Thane Sthita Sudhiyodayam Tanubang Manove, no need of changing position. Whatever position one may be. Some may be thinking, many think like that, we are householders, we are family members, we are entangled, we have so many business. Unless we give up all these things, take up sannyasa or non-starter, we cannot develop. So they think so, they have misconception. That is misconception. Thane sita sudhigatantanu manmanobhi jo prayaso jito jito persistent. No need of changing position. Whatever position one may be, let him be there. Someone is brahmachari position, let him be there. Grahastha position, let him be there. Vanaprasthi position or jati prata, whatever position, let him be there. No need of changing position. Let him come daily and hear Srimad Bhagavatam from such bona fide source. Bhakta Bhagavata, dear devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, is an embodiment of Bhagavata just here. Then will develop such pure bhaktis, flame bhakti, as a result, he will be able to bind up the unconquerable, Ajita Jita. To conquer the unconquerable. Krishna is Ajita. Nobody can conquer him, he is unconquerable. But one who comes daily and hears Srimad Bhagavatam, bona fide source of Premi Bhakta, dear devotee of Krishna, embodiment of Bhagavata, dear devotee of Mahaprabhu, daily putting faith, surrendering unto him, he will have a supreme bhakti, able to conquer the unconquerable. Yes, this is the process. Annamidata sunyam, jnana karma adi anabhrutam, anukulyena krishnanu sidanam, bhakti uttama. Do you understand? Rupa Goswami says, he will develop uttama bhakti, pure bhakti, prema bhakti, annamidata sunyam, jnana karma adi anabhrutam, anukulyena krishnanu sidanam, bhakti uttama. By hearing Srimad Bhagavatam develop such prema bhakti, immediately he will develop attraction, strong attachment, lotus feet of Krishna. So simultaneously, his attachment, very strong attachment, what he has towards this material world, towards the objects of sense enjoyment, immediately transform into the lotus feet of Krishna. It's gone. You understand? How can one? We are materialistic person, modern man, has a very strong attachment to this body, body relations, material world, objects of sense enjoyment. How can he develop attachment towards the lotus feet of Krishna? How will it be? How? How can you not understand he is Krishna Das? He has become Maya Das for lots of lives. Unless he comes and hears Srimad Bhagavatam from the right source, bona fide source, Bhakta Bhagavata, he cannot do it. And hearing from this, then you understand, oh, who am I? Oh, I am Krishna Dasa. Do you understand? Nija tattva janiyar sansar nathai kenava bhojinu maya kore hai hai. Kende bole he Krishna ami tabadat tomar charana thari hainu sarvana. Hearing, then develop, understand, oh, I am Krishna Das. Then he says, alas, why I have become Maya Das for so many lives, lakhs of lives, suffering here, and dreadful loss of materialistic existence, drowning. Do you understand? Nija tattarani ar samsar nasai, kenana bhajinu maya kore haya. And says, alas, why I have become Maya Das? I am not doing Krishna bhajan. Kende bole he Krishna ami tabadat, tomar charana thari hoinu sarva. Then will cry before Krishna. Krishna, I am your Das. But disregarding your lotus feet, not taking shelter at lotus feet, I am doomed here in this material world, dreadfulness and materialistic existence. Do you understand? Ay nannatanja kinkarang patitamma visame bhavam kripaya tava pada pankada sida dhuli sadrisa vijintaya. This is the prayer Mahaprabhu has taught us. Mahaprabhu is supreme teacher. Krishna is Krishna, but he came as Sadhu Guru, Acharya to teach us. What prayer will you offer at the lotus feet of Krishna? Ay nannatanja kinkarang patitamma visame bhavam kripaya tava pada pankada sida dhuli sadrisa vijintaya. Oh Nandatanuja, son of Nanda Maharaj, I am your kinkar, I am your servant. Somehow I am fallen here, dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, and I have been drowning here from time immemorial. Please accept me as a speck of dust at your lotus feet. Let your servant serve you. Toma nitya dasu toma karuna seva. This is the prayer. Then He is free from all desires, desire for material enjoyment, desire for liberation. How to become Krishna Das? Do you understand? Anya vancha anya puja chari jnana karma vancha anya puja chari jnana karma anukulli sarvendriye Krishnanusirana Anukulli sarvendriye Krishnanusirana Ei Sudha Bhaktiya Haite Prema Hoi Sudha Bhaktiya Haite Prema পঞ্চরাত্রে ভাগবতে এই লক্ষণ কহে পঞ্চরাত্রে ভাগবতে এই লক্ষণ কহে ভক্তি মুক্তি আদি বাঞ্ছা যদি মনে হয় ভক্তি আদি বাঞ্ছা যদি মনে সাধন করিলে প্রেম উৎপন্ন না হয় সাধন করিলে প্রেম উৎপন্ন না হয় চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত হ্যাঁ অন্য বাঞ্ছা অন্য পূজা ছাড়ি জ্ঞান কর্ম আনুকূল্যে সর্বেন্দ্রে কৃষ্ণানুশীলনা আনুকূল্যে না কৃষ্ণানুশীলনা give up all desires, desire for material enjoyment, desire of material liberation, just favorably serve Krishna. This you render loving service that give pleasure, happiness to Krishna. Don't aspire for any pleasure, any happiness for yourself. Do you understand? No? Only aspire for all pleasure, happiness of Krishna. That is Anukulyena Krishnanushrana. This is Sudha Bhakti, which is Prema Hoy. This is Sudha Bhakti, pure devotion. This is Prem Bhakti. When you develop Krishna Prema, Pancharatra Bhagavata is Lakshana Hoy. Bhagavata speaks, Pancharatra Shastra speaks. This is the symptom of Prem Bhakti. Bhakti, Mukti, Adi, Vancha, যদি মনে হয় সাধন করলে প্রেম উৎপন্ন না হয় if of other desire for material enjoyment, desire for material liberation, still you are doing sadhana, you cannot develop prem bhakti at all. No. Jnana karma yoga dharme Krishna nahe baso jnana karma yoga dharme কৃষ্ণ বস হেতু এক কৃষ্ণ প্রেম রস কৃষ্ণ হেতু এক কৃষ্ণ প্রেম রস ভক্তি বিনা কৃষ্ণে কভু নয়ে প্রেম দয় প্রেম বিনা কৃষ্ণ প্রাপ্তি অন্য হইতে নয় প্রেম বিনা কৃষ্ণ প্রাপ্তি অন্য হইতে নয় চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত জ্ঞান কর্ম যোগ ধর্মে নহে কৃষ্ণ বস if you follow the process of jnana or follow the process of karma or follow the process of yoga, you cannot understand Krishna. Do you understand? Krishna Vasa Hotu Eka Krishna Prema Rasa. If you want to understand Krishna, see Krishna, get Krishna, what do you do? You should develop Krishna Prem Bhakti. Do you understand? Krishna Vasa Teka, Krishna Prema Rasa, loving mellow. How can you get it? Where it is available? Where?
Reach me my Bhagavatam. Reach me my Bhagavatam and surrender to the Guru.
Hearing from such a Bhakta Bhagavata, embodiment of Bhagavata. Bhagavata is the Krishna Bhakti Rasa Shastra. Bhagavata is the Shastra of Krishna Bhakti Rasa. Mela of Krishna Bhakti. Nigama Kalpatar Galita Phala. Most ripened, sweetest, nectarian, juicy fruit of Vedic tree, Srimad Bhagavatam. Isn't it? It's full of nectarian sweet juice only, Baba. Such mela. Where did you get it? If you go, thou Bhagavata Para Vaishnava Sangha Vaishnava, Premi Bhakta, Gaura Priyadan and here Bhagavad, then you can get it. Understand? Krishna Bhakti, Vasa Heto, Eka Krishna Prema Rasa. Bhakti Bhina, Krishna Prabhu Nahi Prema Nahi. Without pure Bhakti, Prema Bhakti, nobody can develop love towards Krishna. Prema Bhina Krishna Prapti Vanna Hoita Nahi. You cannot get Krishna except Prem Bhakti. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu is Prem Bhakti. Nama Mahabhadanaya Krishna Prema Pradayati Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaura Kuisena. This pranam mantra, Rupa Goswami has offered, isn't it? Prema Pradayati. He gives Krishna Prema. Mahaprabhu. Mahabhadanaya most munificent incarnation. Yes. Patita Pahamara Vache, Brahmarudullo Prema Savakare Zache, indiscriminately. He never discriminates whether one is most degraded, most fallen, or most elevated. Never discriminates. Indiscriminately he offers Prem Bhakti. Do you understand? He is ready to embrace you, Baba. Mahaprabhu is ready to embrace. He has stretched hand, come to my fold, come to my fold. Utama adhama kichuna bathilo jachiye dile kokolo. Utama adhama kichuna bathilo jachiye dile kokolo. Kahi premananda emana gaurange hrudayi dhariya bolo. Kahi Bhaja Gaurango, Gaurango, Lo Gaurangiro, Amore, Bhaja Gaurango, Jana Gaurango, Se Hoi Amaro, Pranori. Vaishnava poet says like that. Utama odhama kichuna bachilo. Jachiye dile kokol. Ohe Premananda emana gaurange hrudaye dhariyabo. He is such munificent, most munificent, wonderfully munificent, wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnanimous Vigraha, Audarja Vigraha, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He never dismisses whether one is most elevated, most degraded. He is ready to embrace you, come to his fort, but you are not coming. You are not coming. Mahaprabhu is ready to embrace you, but you are not coming. Going away. Mahaprabhu brings Prema Munya, flood of Prema. Krishna Prema Munya he brings. Prema Munya says, Saudiye beda. He wants to inundate the whole world with a flood of Krishna Prema. Such a rascal. Hey, flood is coming. Run away. He is running away. Hey, flood is coming, run away. He is running away. How this rascal can get it? Mahaprabhu wants to inundate the whole world. You understand? To inundate everybody. On the Blind man, crippled man, Jara, Pangu. He want to inundate everybody. What is the rascal? Oh, sorry. Oh, flood is coming, flood is coming. So kept such Mahaprabhu, such Gauranga, Prema Purushottama Gauranga, wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnificent, wonderfully magnanimous Vigraha, Gauranga in the heart and Bhaja Gauranga, Kaha Gauranga, Lo Gauranga Namari, Jejana Gauranga Bhaja, Sehe Amara Pran. He is my life and soul who does Gauranga Bhaja. Do you understand? He gives Prem Bhakti. So here, for such a devotee Premi Bhakta, then you can develop. Then this ointment of love will be smeared over your eyes. Otherwise you cannot get. Therefore, you say, Ado Guru Mukhat Sruta Passadikhita Sakyar Kupasta Pantha Jasya Saha. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says, Ado Guru Mukhat Sruta. First you should go and approach such a Guru. Sadhu Guru. Sadhu Guru. Do you understand? Who has developed Krishna Prema. Dear devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yes, yes. Do you understand? And here, that's such a Vaishnava you go, and here, Bhagavatam from him. Adu Guru Mukha Sruta Passadikhita. Then, that means see Lord through the ears. Srutikita Padhamu. First Sruta, first hear. Then Ikhita, then see. Then ointment will be smeared on your eyes. Then you can, oh, beautiful form of Shyam Sundar. Sakshat Kupasta Pantha. This is the process. This is the process. Do you understand? This is the process. Such a bhakta. Sada muktopi vadhosmi bhaktena snaharajjubhi ajitopi jyudayam tairavasyopi vasikrata haribhakti siddhodaya. Do you understand? Lord's own word. Sada muktopi vadhosmi bhaktena snaharajjubhi. I am ever free, supremely free. Is Krishna in bondage? You are in bondage, Maya's bondage, material bondage, isn't it? Krishna is supremely free, Sadamukta. Supremely free. But Krishna said, no, I am supremely free. Vadhosmi bhaktena sriharajjuvi. But I am bound up with the rope of love of my devotee, Premi Bhakta. Krishna is bondage. Krishna is in bondage now, Baba. Who can bind Krishna? Ajita? He is unconquerable. Who can conquer Ajita? Jita? Who comes and hears Srimad Bhagavatam from such a Bhakta Bhagavata Prem Bhakta? Gaura Priyojana. He can bind Krishna the rope of love. Sada muktopi vadhosmi bhaktena snaharajjuvi. Though I am supremely free, still I am bound up with the rope of love of my Premi Bhakta. Do you understand? Ajitopi jyudayam tayir vasyopi vasikla. Though I am Ajita, unconquerable, I am conquered by him. Such Premi Bhakta. Bhakta ama preme bandhiyache hridaya vitare. Bhakta ama preme bandhiyache hridaya vitare. Jahan netro pore tahan dekho ye amare. Jahan netro pore tahan dekho ye amare. These are Krishna's own words. Krishna's own words. Bhaktana premi bandhyache hrudaya bhitare jahan netro pore tahan dekho ye amare. Such Premi Bhakta has bound me up, the rope of love in his heart, in his heart. Wherever he looks, he sees me. Unmanifested is manifested now. Wherever he looks, he sees me. Jahan netra pade tahan dekho ye amare. Yes. You understand? Prahlad Maharaj saw in a stone pillar. It's a Premi Bhakta who was bound up Krishna, the rope of love in his heart. Krishna is not unmanifested for him. He is manifested. Krishna cannot keep himself hidden before the eyes of such a premi bhakta. Though he keeps himself in yogamaya samavrita, covered up with yogamaya, but he cannot keep himself in the eyes of such premi bhakta. He is manifested. Do you understand? Such is the process. যে রূপ চিন্তই দাসে সেই রূপ হয়, যে ও চিন্তই দাসে সেই রূপ হয়, দাসে কৃষ্ণে পরিবারে পারই বিক্রয়, দাসে কৃষ্ণে পরিবারে পারই বিক্রয়, সেবক অবসর প্রভু চারি বেদে গায়, সেবক অবসর প্রভু চারি বেদে গায়, সেবকের স্থান কৃষ্ণ প্রকাশে সদায়, সেবকের স্থান কৃষ্ণ প্রকাশে সদায়। চৈতন্য ভাগবত শেষ, দিস চৈতন্য ভাগবত, যে রূপ চিন্তয় দাসে সেই রূপ হয়, দাসে কৃষ্ণে করিবার পার হয়ে বিক্রম। Whatever form such a premi bhakta wants to see, Krishna manifests that form. That form, yes, that form. Do you understand? সেবক বৎসল প্রভু চারি বেদে কয়, সেবকর স্থানে কৃষ্ণ প্রকাশ সদায়। His সেবক বৎসল is bhakta বৎসল. Do you understand? He is bhakta বৎসল. Do you understand? He is very dear to his devotee, prem bhakta. Do you understand? Chari Veda, 4 Vedas say, he is Sevak Vatsala, he is Bhakta Vatsala. Sevak Vasthani, Krishna Prakasha Sadai. Such a dear devotee is there, Krishna is manifested there. Krishna cannot keep himself hidden. Do you understand? Not unmanifested for him. Do you understand? Sevak Vasthani, Krishna Prakasha Sadai. Bhaktir Ichai, Krishnera Sarva Avatar. Bhaktetsa Upata Rupayo. Paramatmani Namanna Bhakta says, who can make Krishna decide, Baba? Can you? Is Krishna your order supplier? Krishna is not your order supplier. Who can make Krishna decide? Such a premi bhakta. Do you understand? Who has conquered the unconquerable? Who has bound up Krishna with the rope of love in his heart. Do you understand? Whatever such a premi bhakta says, Krishna does, isn't it? Krishna is submitted to him. Krishna is submitted to him. Nanda Maharaj, premi bhakta, Vatsalya prem, do you understand? Krishna appeared as the son of Nanda Maharaj. Krishna was a 5 year, just 5 years, 3-year-old boy, just started walking. Nanda Maharaj says, Kanu, bring my wooden sandal lying there. Orders, bhakta orders. And Krishna carries out the order. The Krishna goes there and puts wooden sandal on his head and coming. Whose order Krishna carries out, Baba? And you understand? Therefore, bhakti nichaya Krishner sobhavata. Sevak vatsala prabhu chari vedagaya. Sevak rasthane Krishna prakasada. Is Sevak vatsala, bhakta vatsala. Very dear. 4 Vedas say, he always manifests before such a premi bhakta, sevaka. Do you understand? Bhakti nichaya. When such dear devotee of Krishna invokes him, please descend, please manifest. Then he will manifest. Otherwise, who can make Krishna appear? Such a bhakta. Bhakti upata upaya. These are only prema bhakti. Hearing from such a premi bhakta, Srimad Bhagavatam Krishna Katha, then automatically that ointment of love will be smeared on your eyes, you develop Prema Bhakti, then in the order such vision, then you can see. Otherwise you are blind man. Yes, you are blind man. Yes. Do you understand? Jena dekhe se chanda bodana se noyone kiba kajo, porgotar munde bajo, se noyone rahe ki karan. Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Jena dekhe se chanda bodana, Jena dekhe se chanda bodana, se noyone kiba kajo, porgotar munde bajo, se noyone kiba kajo, porgotar munde bajo, se noyona rahe ki karana, se noyona rahe ki karana. One who cannot see such beautiful face, moonlight face of Krishna, what is the use of these eyes? What is the use of these eyes? Porukadar munde vadolet. Indradeva drop his thunderbolt on his head and finish him. What is it? Chenoyon rahe ki karan? Why? I should have these eyes if I cannot see beautiful face. Janama safalatar Krishna darasanajar. Bhagya hoyati ekbar. Nice thought. I have no time. Or they're settled there. Please excuse me, I am mad fellow. I don't know. So, more I may speak on this thing. His life is successful. If we can see. Fortunately, he sees Krishna once in his life. Otherwise, my life is useless. Thank you very much. Bhagavata Kathamrita ki jai. Bhagavata Kathamrita rasa pipasu bhakta vrinda ki jai. Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. Samaveta bhakta vrinda ki jai. Gaur Premanandi.
One question. So you're saying that by hearing there is purification and development, faith, understanding.
Yes.
And also the perfection of the hearing is there is direct perception, there is God realization in the heart outside.
If you hear, I say,
yes.
Then you can see.
Direct perception.
Yes, Sutekita Patha. For that verse.
So my question is, Srila Prabhupada described that Guru, he is carrying the message without change.
Yes.
He's transparent via media.
Yes.
Can one be Guru, be transparent messenger without yet having direct perception?
He has developed direct process, hearing from Guru. He has got it.
But until somebody has that direct perception in the heart, can they also fulfill the function, this role of Guru and take...
Yes, he can do. What categories of Gurus are there also? Yes. Categories there. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami has said like that. Yes. Understand? That's unpalatable truth I don't want to say.
Sorry?
Unpalatable truth.
Yes.
I don't want to say.
Yes.
You can understand it. All right?
Yes. I try to come later. I have some service to do and then
All right.
We're here all day?
Yes, I...
Tomorrow morning also stay?
Yes.
Until Tuesday. Until Tuesday.
Good. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
You were going to speak on. You said that there was something you did not fully explain.
I spoke in the evening. That part I missed. I explained what the vision of the Premi Bhakta who can see. But I have not explained what the vision of materialistic person. That's Adhyakika, the other part is there. No time. It will take 2 more hours. 2 more hours. But the Adhyakika, Bhagavan is known as Adhokshaja. Isn't it? But these people try to make him Akshaja. What is Adhokshaja? What is Akshaja? I would have explained. Adhyakika, I would have explained. What types of other people are there? There are so many things. 2 more hours it may take, or 1 day it may take. So many things are there. I say, in one verse you want to explain perfectly well, days together, Baba. What to speak of 1 hour, 2 hours? I say, Jananta, unlimited.
You made it very clear that who we have to hear from.
Yes. Otherwise, how can we get that ointment of love?
That's right.
Where is that factory? Who has set up that factory? That's my point.
Speaking
And,
very boldly.
Yes, and become an employee in that factory. Then you can have that ointment, otherwise how can have that ointment? Where is it available?
Then you become a madman, mad fellow?
Mad fellow. Yeah. Mad fellow. Not interested in materialistic activities. Not asking into this thing. And they say he's a mad fellow. They say he's a mad. And we say he's a mad. Vaishnava says he's a mad fellow. He's eating stool only. Huh? The hog eats stool and says, oh, human beings are so foolish. They don't eat such nice thing I am eating. Hog thinking, I am eating such nice. For a table, sweet. It is stool. Hog things. And hog thinks human beings are so foolish. They don't eat so nice food, they eat something else. So, materialistic or something else mad. We think materialistic is mad. It is true. He is not tasting this nectarian mellow, sweet mellow. Krishna prema rasa.
Gurudev, Mother Yashoda and Nanda Maharaj, they have supreme position.
Yes. And how Krishna became bound up, you see. How Krishna became bound up with the rope of love, you see. Krishna is carrying out their orders. Do you understand? Mother Yashoda bound up Krishna. Who can bind up Krishna, Baba? You are a naughty boy. You are creating all these nonsense. I'll bind up today. So nice. So many things are there. Sei papi, elo arogelo. Sei papi, elo arogelo. Lo sambole, sei papi, elo arogelo. Lo sambole, sei papi, elo arogelo. Akodha Paramanando Nityananda Raya Akodha Paramananda Nityananda Raya Avimano Sunyanitai Nagari Bedai Avimano Sunyanitai Abhimano Nanipa Nara